An airplane, especially a combat one, is a source of increased danger. Its maintenance is handled by the Ministry of Defense, as well as its operation. Accordingly, I think it should compensate the damage caused to the people. People not even stuttering about the moral compensation yet, but now they should compensate because they destroyed several dozens of apartments. Now the wreckage of the plane has been already removed from the crash site. Some of them had to be removed from the destroyed apartments. Residents of the affected house are not allowed inside yet, until the decision of the special commission.